Hi guys, welcome back to week 3 of the Magical Christmas Collab, hosted by PinkZebratheUnicornCrafter. Please check out the links below to follow the other ladies and see what they come up with this week. Enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So, I was just coming on just to share with you what I did with my vellum pack that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It was the Paper Studio vellum. It was half off at the time when I purchased it. So they're 8.5 by 11, and I just took one sheet and then I cut them in 1.5 inch strips. So if you can see right here, so I cut at 1.5 for my vellum, and the last piece was just a 1 inch strip, and this is what I got from that. I just used my little hole punch. It is the 1/2 inch circle punch. I got that from a D-stash. So I used the little circles because I wanted the vellum to show most of it, and it was only using my 2 border punches that I picked up. So it's this little lacy edge here, and that's what that one looks like. These 3 right here, these 3 is this punch right here. And then these 3 right here, 1, 2, 3, they all look different, but it's just this one right here, this punch. Okay, and the difference here is I scored this at every 1/4 inch for this one, and then this is every 1/2 inch, and that looks so pretty. You see more of the pattern. And then this one, I just folded on every edge. So every intersection between each scallop, that's where I folded my vellum. So that's what that looks like. It looks like little hearts. You see that? Very pretty. Okay, and then the same with this. These 2 are actually the same. So I scored them at 1/4 inch, and then this one is at the 1/2 inch. Every 1/2 inch I scored that, and again I used the little teeny tiny punch just for the center so that we can hold it together. Okay, and I like the way these came out. Yeah, so that's what I did with my vellum, and I will put you on time lapse so that you can see how I actually went through the process of making all of these. All right, and I'll see you all at the end. Okay guys, I found my coloring pencils. I want to give that a try. I want to give credit to Buzzin' with V, and this is where I got the idea. She was coloring her vellum with the alcohol markers. That's what that looks like. But I was going to rub them in. Oops, I'm sorry for the shaking, if it's shaking the camera. But that's what I wanted to try. Just try. Okay, and then I'm going to take my punch. So I forgot I had the other edge punch. Okay, oh, it looks cute. And I'm just making sure like the edge of this punch is within this little rectangle, and then lining it up on the outline, because that'll help the pattern become seamless. So there we go. It's punching out nice so far. Just scoot over one at the very end. Look at that. Perfect. So we got that punched, and now you just have to fold it. So let's see what this looks like. Looks pretty cute though. Okay, I'm going to cut this little edge right here, just like that. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so instead of using my hot glue on the edge to connect it, I use the regular, well not regular, but the Tombow glue. Yeah. And it holds, it catches pretty quick. I'm just going to take my edge right there. Doesn't have to be perfect, because once we get that folded and centered, you're not even going to look. Okay. Now I will use my hot glue to get the center. Look at that, it's so cute. Okay. And I'm still going to use the little 1/2 inch circle. Okay. It's a matter of keeping it together. This is the hard part. The hardest part of the rosette is getting that little thing squished together. That is a lot of glue. And I'm just going to push the ends in until it catches. Just like that. Okay? It's the tedious part right there. Okay, let me get the back. Oh my goodness, my glue gun. There we go. And that's cute. Just gotta be careful of the edges, that's all. Look at that. We got pink vellum. See, you can see the coloring, but if you look at the other side, the side you did color on, looks perfect. Look at that. These are so pretty. I mean, you can make these into little snowflake ornaments. Look at that. Maybe I want to try this yellow. Ooh, that is bright. Maybe not. How about the purple? Let's try the purple. It just makes me want to go get some alcohol markers. Oh, this one looks just like the pink. Dude. Okay, I think I want to try it on this one. So let me get you on timer. Okay, so the one mistake I made was I forgot to score. I forgot to score my lines, so that one's gonna have to fake the funk. But it came out cute, guys. I like it. Look at the color. It's so pretty. I'm gonna try and sort this and see what happens. And I think I'll just do every 1/2 inch. Let's do it. There we go. Alright, now, because it's a 1/2 inch fold. There we go. I didn't do a good job punching this one this time. I didn't line it up properly. Okay, so I just cut that little edge off. And there you go, see? Oh my gosh, look at that, for Halloween, guys. I know Halloween's over, but I'm gonna use this one for Christmas and hopefully put it into my swap. I'm so behind. I thought I had a lot of time, but when you procrastinate, boy, time sure does catch up with you. And I have procrastinated long enough, so I will be crafting like a mad woman. And there we go. Oh, the hardest part is scrunching it and getting that center put on there. Uh-oh. Let the glue dry, Eileen. Yep. Okay. Just let that sit for a minute so it doesn't come apart. I'm very impatient. I refuse to wait. Oh gosh, okay. Need a few more circles. Okay. Hold that in. There we go. There we go. And oof. 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 Okay. I don't know, which side is better? This side? Or this side? I think this side's better. So cute, guys. Give it a try. So this was with the color pencils. This was with the highlighter. I'll show you the really bright pink highlighter from Target. This was from Target. And this is the side that I colored on. So it's really super bright. But then look at the other side. It's like perfect. It's the perfect pink for the Santa baby. I think it's so pretty. It's a softer pink on this side compared to that. Super, super bright. Look at that. Big difference. Look, night and day. Okay guys, so I came back and I added some glitterific and some glitter, all from Walmart. These are all from Walmart. So I used 3 different size glitter. put them all together. So this is the really like dusty type, and then this is like a chunky, and this one's like an in-between. You can see the size right there. And I got all of this from Walmart, and I went ahead and combined them all in this little trinket tray. I put it on here, put it on the pink, and it worked great because it toned down that bright pink, and I think that works. This one, I put it on the edges, so all of them are all just on the edge, and I used the mono glue for these rosettes, these 4, and then I used the decoupage for the other one. Where did it go? Was it this one? This one. I just tried to use the decoupage. And then these are the glitterific, these 3. Let me, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, the little one, I'm gonna put it on this sheet so I can carry it over. And the rest I just left plain. That way I can just work with some with the white. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family, and hit that bell to get notified for the next video. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye. Don't forget to check out the other ladies on the links below, and check out Danielle's channel, PinkZebratheUnicornCrafter, and let her know you came from my channel. And come back for next Friday's magical Christmas collab. That'll be week 4. See you all again.